All right, fifth graders, it is time for our math lesson for the day. So, today we're going to continue on comparing fractions because I really want you guys to have this down and be super, super solid about it before I move on to anything else with math. So, all right, so the big thing today that I really want you guys to accomplish is this assignment, which is all about comparing fractions. So there's a whole bunch of these, there's 24. However, the catch is I don't want you to just write greater than or equal to in each of the boxes. I also want you to draw a picture on the back or on a scratch piece of paper proving to me why the answer is what it is. I'm going to show you an example. So number 1 is 1/2 compared to 1/3. So if I were to do this on in a picture way, I would draw some fraction bars because those are just the easiest for me to work with just because it's just a rectangle and I'm not very good at drawing circles. And it's easier to make rectangles the same length than it is to make circles the same length. Oh, and it is so hard to draw on a computer, fifth graders. So please give me grace because that kind of just, oh, it looks horrible. All right, not focusing on my drawing skills. So on the top, I'm going to draw the fraction. The first fraction was 1/2, right? So I'm going to have my whole split into 2 equal pieces and as equal as I can get on the computer. So that's 1/2. I'm going to draw a picture there showing it's 1/2. Then I'm going to do the next one is 1/3. All right, so I have 1/2 on top and 1/3. And so looking at this fraction right now, I know that 1/2 is a bigger piece. And that makes sense to me because I would rather share with 2 people if I was splitting a candy bar than 3 because I would get a bigger piece. So that is the first one. So I would go back to my assignment and I actually think I can, there we go. I would go back to my assignment and I would write alligator eats the bigger part, and I would say 1/2 is greater than 1/3. So the next one I'm going to do is let's do 1/5 and 1/4. So the top one is going to be 1/5, and the bottom one is going to be, I think I said 1/4. Yeah, 1/4. I'm not really loving drawing on this computer right now. Oh well, we'll get it worked out. I'm going to change my color to blue. All right, so we've got 1/2, no, 1/5, goodness, and 1/4. So fifth graders, I know some of you might already know the answer without having to draw a picture, but drawing a picture helps solidify it in our brain that this is really proving to us what it is. So I'm going to split this one into fourths. I'm going to do this one as fourths. So this is 1/4 right here. We'll label that 1/4. And then this one is going to be 1/5. 2, 3, 5. And I tried to make the pieces as equal as possible. If I were to erase this right here and make a line like that would be better. There we go. All right, so this is 1/5. As you can see, 1/5 is slightly smaller than 1/4. So 1/4 would be bigger. So I would go back and make 1/4 greater than. Now there are some fractions on here that are actually equivalent, so they could be equal. So fifth graders, for all of these, I would like you to draw some pictures, okay? And I know there's not a lot of space on this, but I would like you to do it on the back. So you could go on the back of your paper and label this. This was number 2, I think. Yeah, number 2. You could just show number 2 picture. and I want you to go through and do all the problems. If you can't finish them, that's okay. I just want you to get as far as you can by drawing pictures and then going back to the other side of the paper and writing greater than, less than, or equal to. And I'm going to give you 1 point for having the correct answer and 1 point for drawing a picture. So even if you don't get the answer correct, you can still get a point for drawing a picture on the back, showing me your thinking. So that is what you are to do. If you finish early, you can go on extra math. But other than that, I think this should take most of us until recess, especially if we're drawing pictures for each problem. All right, so good luck. You guys will do great and amazing, and I can't wait to see your work tomorrow. Bye.